this is Mathiran station platform, and we have come here. These are the tracks, and this is a showpiece of engine, and that is actual trains. As you can see, there are 3 bogies, 4 bogies, and one engine. It's a very small toy train kind of. Its speed is very limited, and its schedule is also very once in a day or twice in a day when it runs. Mostly it doesn't run in monsoon or particular season. So that is all about Mathiran station. So it's early morning, it's bright morning with nature around. As you can see, lot of trees, and these are the local localities, and these are all train railway related stores. Early morning, dogs are playing, and that is all about. Below Mathiran is the selfie point, which is very close to the station, and these are all again close to market, and many lodges and restaurants are available in the market. There are monkeys in this locality, so you cannot keep any eatables in your hand for safety reason. This is again a hotel where we are going to stay today. And morning snacks bars already open. As you can see, monkeys on the roof and on the trees. It's morning, so this 2 path is for people to walk, and middle path is for horses. Early morning, all these shops, restaurants are closed. As you can see, this it opens in the morning around 10 o'clock, and then continually it keeps open till around 9:30, 10. Depends upon their business types. Ram Mandir, and this is very fit and healthy horse. ATM as well, which is of Union Bank in Mathiran. So if you want to withdraw the money, you can visit this bank as well as ATM. So there is a lovely garden here. It's a big garden. You must visit this garden when you visit. These are all open gym exercises and walking trail for those who wants to walk in the morning. Nicely maintained garden. And this is Hutatma Anna Saheb Kotwal. Without mask, 500. There is a play area for kids, the other side. And this is lovely fog and cloud in the morning. This is Madhavji Point. It's a 2,515 feet above the sea level. This comes under forest area. Middle, very old tree. As you can see, this clouds. Waterfall, you can hear this. Birds are singing. Beautiful view early in the morning. We are going back to this place. Returning from the garden. And there is one viewpoint, so you must visit. It's nice to be at that place in the morning. So this is a school at Mathiran. Now we are going to another point, which is a nice location. Let's go for it. We have here post office as well. At Mathiran, you can see the post office. So there is Jain temple as well to do sadhana and all. And opposite that there is another market area. We are going to another point. These are kind of tracks. So you enjoy the nature around and keep walking. There is one hotel here, and there is Adamo Hotel as well. Opposite to that, it's lovely nature walk. If you want to come here with many people around, come at weekend. If you want to be with your own, with very less people, come Monday to Friday. So you will have very less people. So Paymaster Park and Sunset Point is this side. Eco Point, Honeymoon Point, King Edward Point, Lewis Point, Malang Point is this side. So we are going at this side 5 points, which is one side. Let's move. So this is a deep forest area. While going to all these 5 points, this is the track where we are moving. Beautiful nature, peaceful atmosphere, only birds are singing. It's very chill atmosphere, very nice to enjoy this nature and this track. Great. So if you want to visit, connect us. Beautiful birds singing, as you can hear them. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Memorial, as you can see his statue. And this is a dhaba. They are constructing road with this material, which we are coming down 2 points. And this is the tree, which is very old. Now we are moving to another point. So now we are reaching to Eco Point and Charlotte Lake. Louisa Point is the other side. Let's go to Eco Point. Fog in the morning as it's cloudy weather. This is all season place where you can come to Mathiran, a hill station, but monsoon and winter is more pleasant than summer. So depending upon your convenience, you can visit anytime around the year. Reaching to Eco Point. So few friends are yelling. They are looking for Eco. Wonderful, beautiful, awesome. We are on the cloud now.